Alright, y'all, fishing life. This is redneck style cooking on a can, cooking fish at the truck stop. Camping out in the back of the truck. This is how we do this. Got my little homemade can right here. No, son, don't hit it against the tree. But this is how we do this. Making some fried fish that I caught earlier today. We'll make some fish tacos. Alright, y'all, see y'all in just a second. Alright, y'all. Fish is just about done. Trying to get it good and crispy and fried up. Gonna make some fish tacos tonight. I got a little bit of everything on the back of the truck tonight. And camping out up here at the VP up here in Jackson, Georgia. Hoping the cops don't get called on me for making my homemade little can. I watched this on YouTube, but I want to do something stealthy, but also it's really not stealthy because everybody can see me. I mean, really, everyone can see me out here. But tonight, I'm having a fish fry, so I'll stay tuned with y'all in a minute. Ain't nothing stealthy about what I'm doing. Doing it right out in the open. Waiting to see if the police are going to show up and tell me I have to put it out. That might be them over there. There's another store right there. Huh. I think it's awesome. Sitting on the curb, cooking some fish, having a good old time. Got to get this fire going back again real good. Cook all this fish up. Got me a big old piece of stick there holding this pan up. It's gonna happen. Look at all them fish. All them little brown right there. I'm at a truck stop at that. Right here at the highway. All that smoke. I know they see that smoke. It's gonna be awesome though. Cook this fish up. Make some fish tacos with some refried beans, I guess. I ain't really got much to make fish tacos with tonight. Just figured I was gonna eat some fish, but then I got some tacos, and I'm like, well, you know what? We'll make fish tacos. Let's get this fire going, y'all. I'll be back with you. Alright, y'all. We added some hot dogs to this, so I have some hot dogs, some fish. Got my fire going down here, as you can see. And family's right here. I need to break up some more wood. Oh, hopefully my foot will break this wood. Yeah, got one little piece out of it. That ain't breaking so easy. That one did. Gotta make it happen. Here's my family. This is our little set up for tonight. Doing all this. Back for y'all soon. Alright, y'all, I got some hunky bread on there now. So fish and hunky bread, and I'm about to make some light beans. I'm gonna hook it all up, make a good old dinner out of here tonight. Like I said, this is where I'm at the BP. I guess you want to call it stealth camping, but I'm not stealth nothing. I'm out in the open. Y'all want to see more videos like this? Like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. Here goes the beans. About to hook it all up. We're about to make us some tacos out of these and all this right here. And I'll be back with you. Alright, y'all. Well, here we go. We got our beans. We got our sauce. We got our fish and our bread. We got our tacos over here. We're going to hook this sucker up. We're going to eat something here in a minute. I'm going to suck some fish eyeballs out. I'm going to get that on video. That last video I made of that, I didn't actually catch me doing it, but I'm going to let my son finish this up right here, and I'll be back with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, here's my son. This is beans, tomato sauce, fish, and bread. Got the tacos over here. And all these people out here working, watching us do this crap. I call it stealth camping because I'm camping in the truck tonight. But I'm not hiding myself. So we're about to eat. And I'm about to show y'all how to suck fish eyeballs out of a fish. Got to heat up the beans a little bit longer. They're kind of cold still. So. But we'll be back with y'all in just a few minutes and get everything heated back up. And we're going to take and I'm going to show y'all how to do this. Alright, y'all. Like and subscribe. Alright, y'all. Well, everything is done. Now, we got to get the tacos out. We're going to make some tacos tonight. Some broken tacos. So, we got people watching us over here. All these people watching us. We'll make out some fish tacos, and it's going to be something a little bit different. We'll make some fish tacos tonight, and this is how we do this. Put a little bit of that, a little bit of that, on a little bit of this, and then we got our fish tacos for tonight. But we got to get a plate and a fork. Of course, got to find the fork. Where's the forks at? Don't seem like I'm finding no fork. It might be down at the bottom of this. Let's see. Nope, no fork there. I got one somewhere around here. Oh, where's that? Oh well. I guess we'll do a called a scooper. We'll scoop some in like that. On each side. Put it on there. And then what we do is first we get the fish, then we suck the eyeballs out. Isaiah, you're missing the eyeballs.
Huh?
You're missing the eyeballs. Hold the camera. Hold on.
It's facing me.
See the eyeballs?
See the eyeball right there?
Look.
Nasty. Just don't eat the seed.
Look. You can see right between it. Alright, look. Make the fish taco for you.
Make a fish taco. Make a fish taco. Fish taco. Fish taco. Make sure all the bones are. I ain't trying to kill. Get killed.
Ain't gonna kill you.
Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget.
See them little bones, you gotta watch out for.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Could you try to get them all out?
I am. I'm not gonna get you hurt, son.
Ooh, fish taco.
But you have I'm gonna have to let you have the first fish taco.
Ooh, fish taco. Fish taco. Fish taco. Fish taco. How do you say fish taco?
El Gato Taco Bell?
Del taco. I'll tell you what Taco Bell needs to add to their menu.
Fish tacos.
Fish burrito and fish tacos.
Yep.
Oh
yeah, you want?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat the fin tubes.
I'm gonna show you something in just a second.
I've never ate the head of it. I've never looked up there for meat. I've always threw that part out.
With the head?
Yeah.
That means you're throwing the brain out.
I've never ate the brain part.
What's wrong with that?
There's meat right there, but okay.
No, that's not meat. That's the scales.
Make sure there's no stuff in it.
I'm making sure ain't no blood. One little bone ain't gonna hurt you. Just chew.
Chew it?
Chew finely.
Fish taco, fish taco, fish taco. Oh, that's all bone. That's nothing but bones.
Alright. That's the tail.
That's the
Watch.
Yeah, you can eat the tail, sir. But the tail has the most meat.
I'll tell you what has the most meat. This is what a lot of people don't understand. Open this.
Oh, I've never
Open up the head right here.
looked because it don't have no bones up there.
It's got bones in it.
But it ain't got as much bones as right there.
That big old piece of meat. Put it in there. We'll make you a fish taco.
Oh yeah, that's called a fish taco.
This is what I'm trying to get you. It's the brain.
I'm not eating the brain, boo-hoo.
Right here, watch.
You can kiss it. I'm not eating the brain.
Watch. See the brain right there?
No, I don't see the brain. Hold on. Where's the brain?
You ain't even filming me.
See the brain, people? See that
See
brain?
that brain? It's like,
Oh yeah, he's retarded. Alright, y'all, Fishing Light's retarded. So he ate the brain. Now we got all the